Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take the topic on like how to take the table level backup in Oracle database. How to take export of table backup. So let's start. Yes. So this command is used mainly for taking the table level backup in Oracle database, and this command can be used in all the versions, like from starting from 11G to 21C. We can use the same command to take the export backup. So let's start. Yeah. So I'm just logging to database and check whether you have connected to the correct database or not. So this command is used to check the database name, open underscore mode, and database row from Vidala database. So here we go. This is my database name is ORCL, and open mode is equal to what type of mode it is in, whether it is in read write mode or read only mode or mount mode. And database role is primary. So always you need to take the export backup only in the primary database. So in next topic, I will talk about like how to create the standby database and all these things. I will talk in next topic. Okay. Yeah. So let's start. Yeah. Before taking this table backup, you have to create a directory where the directory why we are creating is like to store the dump files. So so those dumps are stored in this directory. For example, this is the command to create the directory, create or replace directory. Kabai3 is the directory name as you have to mention the path. I'm mentioning the path under D drive under this folder. Okay. So it is created. So let's start with the export of table. Let's see. This command, I will explain each and every command. So Expdp is nothing but the utility to take the export backup. Without this, the entire command won't work. And dump file. Dump file name, you have to mention what is the name of the dump file. So all the data will be stored in this dump file name only. So I'm giving as tables underscore percentage u. I mean, this is for, sorry, this uh, command is used only for schema backup. So we are going to take the topic on like how to take the schema level backup. Sorry, it's not table level. So schema level backup. Okay. So you can mention the schemas. I have mentioned the dump file name as schemas and log file. And log file equal to hr dot schema. So I have given the name as you can give according to your understanding. You can give any name like so that you can view this log. And parallel equal to 4. You can for parallel is nothing but to speed the operation of export. Like it, you can be give based on your CPU performance. Even if you give more, it will slow down your machine. So here I have given like parallel equal to 4 and schema name equal to HR is the schema name. So I have given the schema name and the directory, the one which we have created, that is Kabai3. So all the thumbs will be stored in this directory. So let's start. Username you have give as sys slash sys as sysdba. I'm giving the password as sys. So now the export is started. So it will take the entire object under this sys. I mean schema. So for example, see, it is taking the procedures, it is taking the index, constraints, views, and all these things. Everything it will be taken. So under the schema, I can see this many tables are there, like employee, location, job history, region, jobs, department, countries. So all these tables are there. So under this schema, each and every object it will take like triggers, it will take constraint, it will take index, it will take procedure, it will take sequence, it will take. So all these things will be take. So this job is completed, and you can see this backup job in this locations. D drive export dubs. If we go to that location, Yeah, export dumps. Okay, here you can see the one you have taken schemas, right? So HR is the log name which you have given. In this log, you can see each and everything. Like in case if any log got failed with some error, you can view using this log. So this is about like how to take the schema backup. So in next topic, I will take like how to import this schema backup in different database. So before that, please share and subscribe to my channel for more to watch more and more videos like this. So as it is, I'm going to take the entire DBA course with a free of course. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.